I think so.
Okay, I have made a setup for a manometer to test the blower lines to see how much vacuum we can get with the blower, and we'll compare it to the one Bob's making. So what I've done is I've closed the end of the firebox off and I've put a hole in it for a 1/4-inch tube. If you look, hard to see, but where you see the two marks parallel to each other, you can see the water is setting right at that level. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open the blower a 1/4 turn on the valve. Okay, with a 1/4 turn, what you can see is the water line moved up to this point here and down here. So that's a relative amount of vacuum. Don't know in measurable numbers how much, but it moved from there to there. Now I'm going to go a 1/2 turn. Okay, so I'm at a 1/2 turn now. Now you can see the water has moved up to this line here and down to this line here. So that'll give us a relative amount when we test it with Bob's new blower at a 1/4 turn open and a 1/2 turn open with 100 psi on the gauge. So that's what we're going to try to do a real comparison. Don't know if it'll work, but I wasn't sure what else to try. So that's the experiment. Okay, so you can see it went back to the two lines being parallel. So that's my setup. We'll see what happens, and I'm going to send this to Bob.